The communication queue is used to monitor and manage mass emails. To open the queue, click Workspace, and then Marketing. Click Email Marketing, and then Communication Queue. Starting in the Details area, the last run date is the last date an email batch was processed and sent. Current Entries is a count of emails in the queue awaiting processing. The checkboxes below those fields show if the queue is locked and whether or not it is active. In the unlikely event the queue does get locked, click the upper right menu and then click Unlock. Doing this will send a batch of pending emails immediately. While the queue automatically sends an email batch every 20 minutes, the Run option from this menu may be used to send a batch immediately. If this is done, it is recommended to wait several minutes before running the queue manually again to make sure the previous batch fully processed. Use the Refresh option to instantly see if a batch fully processed. The Edit option is used to change the name of the queue, set whether or not it is active, and to set the maximum rows processed per run. The recommended maximum rows is 500. Exceeding 500 emails per batch could result in email runs overlapping, especially if the emails are large in size. Click Save to keep any changes made here. The Statistics area shows recent batches and a summary of their success rate. The Entries tab shows pending emails, which are emails in the queue waiting to be sent. If you want to stop them from sending, choose Select All and then Delete from the menu on the right side. Failed Entries shows individual emails that did not reach the recipient for some reason. Click an entry to open a card for more information. There are many reasons an email can fail. Some common reasons are the recipient email address is not correct or missing, or the sending email address is blocked or blacklisted. Click the contact name to edit the contact and fix the email address as needed. Email addresses that fail will be set to inactive and no further emails will be sent to that address, even if that contact is a member of a communication list. And this concludes our CRM 10 Understanding the Communication Queue video. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.